Budget travel is becoming an increasingly popular trend in 2025, and India remains one of the top destinations for travelers looking to explore without spending a fortune. The country's diverse landscape, rich culture, and deeply rooted traditions make it an excellent choice for budget-conscious adventurers. Whether you're craving serene beaches, majestic mountains, ancient temples, or bustling markets, India offers something for everyone without breaking the bank. Let's take a closer look at how you can discover incredible destinations and experiences while staying within your budget. India's charm lies in its ability to cater to travelers of all kinds. Budget travel in particular is thriving due to affordable accommodations, inexpensive transport options, and the wide variety of low-cost activities. From sipping chai on a Himalayan hill station to wandering through sunlit desert dunes, the possibilities are endless. The country's extensive public transportation network, including buses, trains, and shared taxis, makes moving around easy and economical. At the same time, the rise of hostels, homestays, and affordable guest houses means you don't need to splurge on fancy hotels to enjoy a comfortable stay. Travelers are also leaning towards local experiences, opting for regional cuisine at roadside dhabas and street food stalls to save money while savoring authentic flavors. In the northern regions of India, there are several destinations that provide extraordinary experiences at a fraction of the cost. Rishikesh, nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, offers a perfect blend of spirituality and adventure. You can take part in yoga sessions, enjoy riverside camping, or embark on thrilling treks without spending much. Similarly, McLeod-Ganj, the quaint town near Dharamshala, is a haven for backpackers with its affordable homestays and scenic views. Not far away, Amritsar in Punjab presents an opportunity to witness the magnificence of the Golden Temple, where visitors are welcomed with free meals as part of the temple's community kitchen tradition. Travelers looking to explore the southern part of India are spoiled for choice as well. Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Karnataka, is known for its ancient ruins, stunning landscapes, and low-cost accommodations. Another gem is Pondicherry, where French colonial architecture meets Indian culture, offering budget-friendly seaside retreats. Down the coast, Varkala in Kerala boasts gorgeous cliffs, pristine beaches, and a relaxed vibe that's perfect for travelers seeking peace and affordability. Eastern India offers unique destinations for budget travelers too. Darjeeling, perched in the Himalayas, is famous for its lush tea gardens and breathtaking views of Kanchenjunga. The toy train ride, an iconic experience, is surprisingly affordable. Puri, on the other hand, is a coastal town in Odisha with vibrant culture and sacred temples that won't strain your wallet. If you're seeking tranquility and a connection to nature, Majuli in Assam, the largest river island in the world, is the perfect choice. Rustic stays, simple meals, and the warmth of local hospitality make this destination unforgettable. The western side of India is equally rich in affordable travel spots. Pushkar, Rajasthan, is a favorite among travelers for its spiritual ambiance, camel safaris, and colorful bazaars, all of which can be experienced on a small budget. Udaipur, also known as the City of Lakes, charms visitors with its palaces and tranquil water bodies. Budget accommodations often include heritage stays that give a royal touch without a hefty price tag. If you prefer coastal escapes, Daman and Diu offer peaceful beaches and a slice of Portuguese history at very reasonable prices. For anyone planning a budget trip to India, knowing a few hacks can make your journey even more economical. Opting for public transport, such as local buses or trains, is a great way to save money while immersing yourself in the local lifestyle. Accommodations like hostels and homestays are ideal for cutting costs, and many come with the added benefit of meeting fellow travelers. When it comes to food, Indian street food is not only delicious, but also incredibly affordable. A plate of steaming momos in the north or a banana leaf meal in the south can cost as little as $1 or $2. Planning ahead is crucial when traveling on a budget. By booking transportation and accommodations in advance, you can secure lower rates and avoid last-minute price hikes. Traveling during the off-season is another way to save money, as costs for flights, hotels, and activities tend to drop significantly during quieter periods. While it's tempting to visit iconic tourist attractions, exploring hidden gems off the beaten path often leads to cheaper and more authentic experiences. The rise of budget-friendly tourism in 2025 is also fueled by government initiatives and digital platforms that promote affordable travel. State tourism boards are increasingly offering subsidized packages, while apps and online communities help travelers find discounts, share itineraries, and connect with locals. The sharing economy, including ride-sharing and co-living spaces, has further expanded options for cost-effective travel. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind while traveling on a budget in India. Always research your destination thoroughly to avoid unnecessary expenses. It's wise to carry essentials like reusable water bottles and travel snacks to minimize purchases on the go. At the same time, be cautious not to compromise on safety while trying to save money. It's important to strike a balance and make informed choices. India's ability to offer budget-friendly travel experiences is unparalleled. From the spiritual havens of the north to the serene beaches of the south, the diverse beauty of the east, and the cultural richness of the west, there's no shortage of affordable adventures. Whether you're a solo backpacker, a couple on a getaway, or a family exploring together, India has something for everyone. So pack your bags, follow these tips, and get ready to explore more while spending less in 2025. Please don't forget to leave a review.